Welcome to Fun and Learn by Sharvi. So, first, Happy World Environment Day. Okay, so what is Environment Day? Okay, so everybody will watching this video because what is Environment Day? Okay, so let's learn in today's video that what is Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5 every year. Okay, so World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5 every year. Okay, so today is June 5. So today we are going to celebrate our World Environment Day. Each year, World Environment Day has a new theme. Okay, so every year they launch a new theme. The year's world. Okay, the year's World Environment Day 2019. Okay, so the year's World Environment Day 2019 theme is beat air pollution. Okay, so the theme was beat air pollution and the host was China. It was first established by the Union General Assembly in 1972. So World Environment Day started from 1972 and let's move ahead. The day puts focus on environment and how it affects people's health, pledging for a cleaner, safer, sustainable planet. This World Environment Day brings the focus on living in harmony. Okay, so this Environment Day brings the focus on living in harmony with nature and addressing various challenges for our environment faces. Okay, so addressing various challenges our environment faces. Let's move ahead. A life lived consciously is the life best ever lived. Okay, there's a quick note. A life lived happily is a life lived best. Okay, so this was the theme in 2019. Hashtag beat air pollution. Okay, so it is pretty more. Okay, let's move ahead. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. Mahatma Gandhi told this. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Okay? World Environment Day. Okay, once more time. Happy World Environment Day. Say no to plastic. Make your life friendly products your best friend. Okay? Say no to plastic and make your life friendly products your best friend. Okay, so you have to say no to plastic and make your friends friendly products. Okay, let's move ahead. Nature is the best healer. Do not spoil with your acts. Okay, so there's a quick note here. Nature is the best healer. Do not spoil it with your acts. World Environment Day. Hand of Save the Earth. Okay. So the short form of World Environment Day is YED. Okay. YED. Let's move ahead. Thank you for watching Phone and Loan by Sharvi. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video. Ta-ta! And don't forget to subscribe.